Big bellwether CMG is coming up on board. Here we have about 3 minutes to that closing bell with the 439 high, 0.42 with a 438 close on what? 705,000 shares, and we're selling this great company. And I said it is a great company. We're going to have buy orders down around 480. No, it's going to be 384, and we're going to be selling short at 474. It's a big, huge gap that we feel is necessary to capture both sides of the market. Watch for that knee-jerk reaction on what? CMG. Here we go, everybody. We got the after hours tick chart. Here it is at 436. It has not broke the closing bell of 438. 436 is 2 handles below it, nor do I have any data yet. As we look, Microsoft slight bid. Microsoft is reporting. That's a different issue. Right now we're going to focus on the big one, and that's this one. We can run a Microsoft bid just to know what they're doing. They just reported a number. I don't have time to cover it, but okay, here we go. We're at 441 MMD, and here is that 3-minute chart right here. Let's get that bid and ask up here. You can see that Chipotle Mexican Grill is back up toward that high. Now it's dropping. It hit 442. That was above the high where the shorts came in. Not only that, MMT, I don't have a number yet, so it's a high. Okay, I got a number. $1.97 versus $1.93. Revs is 640 million versus 629 million. That was the estimate. That's the headline number. That's the knee jerk. That is the knee jerk. That is the knee jerk on the headline. Okay? So basically what we have here is they're dropping it back down here, but it's slightly above that low because they sold it down, and we're going to have to find more. We didn't get the big pop yet because we don't know what. They're going to start selling that thing down at 431. Remember, it is overbought. It was a short right here, and the after hours tick at 442. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Not only that, we're going to see what this Chipotle Mexican Grill. Remember, the news is already priced in the name, in my view. And this is live after hours at 1:04 p.m. Pacific Standard Time at what? 4/19/2012. How about that? Now, we're going to have to find out what more is in the number because it's fairly sideways. And once again, buy the rumor, sell the news. Here we are. Chipotle Mexican Grill is an earnings mover. Positive initial reaction to the earnings, but just let me tell everyone, it was already priced to perfection. However, let's take a look at what some of the numbers were. They beat by 4 cents, and revenues rose 25.8% year to year to 640.6 million versus the 629.53 million consensus for the full year 2012. Management expects the following: 155 to 165 new restaurants will be opened. Mid-single digits comparable restaurant sales growth, and food inflation of mid-single digits. So they're going to open up a lot of stores, but it's still below there right now. And that's the knee jerk on the Chipotle Mexican Grill. They will have a conference call. People are going to need to know a little bit more about what those numbers are as far as forward-looking investment on opening those new stores. So I can't even answer that question, but we will be able to answer it in a little while. That's the headline knee-jerk reaction on Chipotle Mexican Grill earnings.